All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Friday market recap and analysis. Right? The week has been so great to us. We made some couple of trades, but it's part of trading. Okay? But our forecasts and analysis has been top notch. Right? So earlier on this week, we said that markets should go to the upside, come to the downside, back to the upside, and then probably drop. Okay? That's what we said. And markets did the up, made the down, made the up again, and then made the final up. And then we continued even the up, and it goes like that. Right? Emilia says, Good morning, Doc. Good morning, Emilia. All right, so we have seen gold make all the movement. Now, gold is currently playing around our zone. Okay? But from what I am seeing, now we have two, how do you call it? We have two things that can play out now. Two things that can play out now. Right? Two things. And this is very, very interesting. Very, very. These are interesting stuff. Okay? Kumi says, Good morning. Good morning, Kumi. If today is your first time, please don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, all right, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I come to the live session, you will be notified immediately. Okay? Good. Let's go for it. So, we are currently here, but that is not the first thing I'll talk about. Let me talk about the moves. So we had a strong buy move giving us a lot of money. Then the next day, the move again continued a lot of money. We had this sell call. We had that sell call. We got this buy. We didn't take this sell. I think it happened in the night. So we had this buy. And then I think this buy also. Then the sell, this sell, um, yeah, we had this sell also. And then we had a buy, we had a buy, we had a buy. So, yes, I've been able to predict every single move of the market, right? Every single move. All of these has been predicted exactly, right? And that gave us a lot of pips, even though we missed some of the trades. We missed some of the trades. It's fine. That's trading for you. Okay? That's fine. That's trading. All right? At our current levels, which we have already discussed, that price should enter into this red zone. Now, price have gone into the red zone and is going up. Okay? And that says, Good morning, Doc. Keep blessing us with more market insight. Elohim bless you a lot. Now, thanks so much. All right. Now we are at this final piece. But yesterday somebody asked me, Doc, will you come to the live on Telegram? And I said, I'm looking at one or two things that would influence my decision to come live or not. And basically, the decision has not been made. Right? The decision has not been made. Now, currently, we are here. Market has made this move, and it's likely that we're going to continue. We're going to continue. That's the likelihood. And earlier on, I've told you once we touch this trend line, this horizontal line, don't think of price of going down again. Even though it's likely it could go down like that, but don't think of it again like that. It can do like this, and then we'll go back up. All right. Once we touch that trend line, this very one, this one. Okay. Once we touch that one, that's what is going to happen. All right. Somebody says I can't hear you, Doc. Let me check my mic. Please, I think I'm very, very audible. So if you can't hear me, please log out and log in again. All right. Just log out and log in again. Okay. End the session and come back again. I think it will be clear. All right. So this zone is where we are watching if anything would happen here. We know that support and resistance traders will position somewhere here. They will position inside these levels to short it. All right. Support and resistance traders will position in these areas to short the market. But I'm not going to go into all of that. The last time I told you this can be a wave 1, this can be a wave 2. All right. Then this is a small degree wave 1. P says, good morning, Doc. Hey, blessing, goodness, good morning. All right, so we have a small degree with 1, with 2, and then with 3. Then we can go for with 4, with 5. Then this big degree with 3. Then it will be going with 4 and with 5. So we don't know what is going to happen. We don't know. We have no idea. But one thing I'm telling you is that watch this trend line. But if markets start to go down, then we are expecting equal leg of this. Right? That's what we'll be expecting down here. So it's going to be a downpour all the way down. If that happens. But if that does not happen, then let's expect price. We'll keep watching price around these levels. We'll keep watching it. Don't forget our brothers, the support and resistance traders, they will be positioned here. These are the levels they'll be watching. Alright? These are the levels they'll be watching. So we'll also watch that same level carefully and critically. Alright? Yeah. If today is your first time, please don't forget like, comment, subscribe so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified immediately. Even in my live session, you'll be notified. Okay? And don't forget to tell family, friends about MolarGold. Alright? The beautiful things we are doing at MolarGold. And I've noticed that a lot of you don't know anything at all about fundamental analysis. Yes. So I'm going to take a full fundamental analysis course. All right. A course which should be paid. I'm going to make it free. And I'm going to go as detailed as possible for the beginner course. All right. The beginner course, I'll make it as detailed as possible. So don't miss that class, even though we have intermediate and advanced. Right? So we are going to look at some of the basic things about the fundamentals, and then we will have a practical sessions too as well, where we will be looking at the market. All right. So please, Invite all your friends, families, invite everyone at all. Let them come, all right, so that they come and learn fundamentals. Fundamentals is one of the keys that move the market. Yesterday in our live session, I told you we do not have any fundamentals. So if you are a technical trader and you are good, then this is the time for you to make money. Today we don't even have any fundamentals at all again that would distort the market. So whatever that is going to happen is pure technical. All right, no fundamentals. So you can do whatever you want to do in the market and nothing will happen. Okay, nothing will happen at all. So let's go for it. Let's go for it. We are currently here. This is where we are. All right, and I said once we get into that red zone, price should start going down. So if we are going down from here, then we're going deep. Okay. In fact, let's go to my favorite time frame. My favorite time frame, the 15 minutes. All right. I think the last time we did some detailed stuff, and it has played out exactly the way we wanted it to play out. Okay, so now let me delete this. No, I don't have to delete it. So I think we did. I cannot go into it. I cannot go into it. We did it in our Telegram channel. If today I come live, then we'll go back into this stuff. But for now, I won't go into it. Okay, I don't have my time. My time is already spent. All right. So, what are we going to look at now? Like I said, we keep watching these areas. Okay, we will do both buys and sell. Both buys and sell. All right. Some of you don't understand when I say we do both buys and sells, and when I say we do only buys. All right. Yeah. So there is a difference between doing both buys and sells and then doing one direction. So once this trade is confirmed for a short, we go one direction. What is the direction? The direction will be a sell, right? Once it is confirmed, it's going to be a sell. But if it's not and it goes up and starts, then we will look for a sell, and then when it drops, we'll start buying it back up because it's going to go up. Right? That's why I'm saying that we'll do both buys and sell. And as usual, the magic indicator is still doing its own thing. It's still doing its own thing. All right? It's still doing its own thing. The magic indicator is still doing its own thing. So you can see right from here, right from there, right from there. And our zone bot is also doing so fantastic. Okay? It's doing so fantastic. So that's some of the things. So that's the zone bot doing its own thing right here. It looks like all the things that I'm working on is now 100% safe and accurate. Okay, so those that are already using the indicator knows that the indicator is very accurate. Very accurate. Okay, so yes, indicator is 100%. The zone indicator is also doing so great. So very soon, the zone indicator will also come and join the party. Right? Okay, guys. So if today is your first time, please don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified immediately. Oh, sorry. The zone indicator, the zone bot is not for sale. It's not for sale. Sorry. Right? Usually, when I make stuff, I use it and I get all the fine stuff, the experience with it before I think of bringing it out to the public or selling it or anything, right? But I have some few friends that they test my stuff. I give them free to test it for me, and they always receive these things with some kind of gratitude, right? Yeah. I don't know your Ben. I don't know your trading experience. If you're very experienced, like I would have given you one also to test it. Okay, yeah, that's what basically I do. I give people to test it out, especially experienced traders. All right, all right, guys. So that is that for today. Please don't forget, tell friends and families about Molar Gold. Until then, if I see what I want to see in this area, we will come live today again to make more money. All right? Yes, the blue blues. We're going to make more money. All right, guys. So that is that. We'll meet again Monday morning. Until then, it's your man.